You don't think I can get up in here? Watch me. Watch me. What are we gonna do if we don't have a water? And flip-flops and all. What?
Good morning.
Good morning.
She's wiping the sleep out of her eyes. We slept the night in the boat at a truck stop here in, where are we? Cisco Springs? Cisco Cristo? Where are we?
Cisco Grove.
In Cisco Grove.
Where are we?
Wow.
You drove.
I know I drove, but I wasn't navigating. We woke up this morning to this pleasant surprise, actually. There's a little picnic area, some trees in the background. It's not a bad place.
No, it's not. It's beautiful. If we would have... So we researched places to stay before, and we were making such good time. We went ahead and kept driving. And so that's how come we ended up here. It got to be dark, and we needed a place. And so we snuck in here in the middle of the night. Well, 10? 9 or 10?
Yeah,
9,
somewhere there. It was dark though.
Dark, and we couldn't really see what was around us much, so we just tucked in back behind one of the trucks and went to sleep and woke up this morning, and there's like this huge grove and another parking lot clear in the back that's away from the highway.
Picnic tables. Like,
But
it's
still,
nice.
we had a good night's sleep, even though we were right off the freeway.
Right, had we known, we could have parked further off the freeway, not heard the trucks all night long, but it was all good.
It was nice to be in my own bed though.
Right?
Yeah.
So
Can't complain about that. Now we have coffee, and our plan for today is, what do we have? We have 2 hours?
Two and a half,
2.5
maybe.
hours left of our 2-day trip.
right? We did in one day.
And we can't even get in the water till tomorrow, so I think we're gonna actually just drive right into Rio Vista, take a look around, see if there's a place at the marina that we can stay for the night. If not, we'll backtrack to one of the truck stops and spend the night there. But just kind of get there and check it out, see where we're gonna be.
Yeah, hopefully we can just sleep. The marina also has an RV park, so hopefully we can just pull the boat in there
If they're not
for the
full.
night. Yeah, and just sleep in the boat. That would be ideal, but
We'll give them a call here in a little bit when they're open. Or we'll just surprisingly show up and be like, hello, surprise, we're a day early.
right? So we have all day to go, 2.5 hours. So we're kind of moseying, taking our time.
Yeah. We find something to eat.
Yeah, let's go find some breakfast.
We arrived a day early, but Delta Marine gladly contacted Terry at Sierra West Boat Works, and even though he was closed because it was the weekend, he graciously welcomed us to pull in his yard for the night. He asked about our drive, offered a shower key, made sure we were tucked in for the night, and with a flood of emotions running through us, we laid in bed for what seemed like hours that night trying to sleep. Out slow. Any water?
No.
No?
I don't think.
Oh.
Nothing that I can see anyways. So I'm gonna grab a flashlight and just take a good look at it for a minute, but I think we're good.
You look happy.
I'm relieved.
Yeah.
For sure, because it's in the water. They didn't drop it. It's not leaking so far.
Right.
So
look how happy you are.
Well, it's one more step closer, you know.
A little sparkle in your eye like a kid at Christmas.
I guess it's lack of stress.
Yeah, probably.
So we're here for the night. Hopefully the crane comes tomorrow. We'll get the mast set, and then we will have one more nervous day of trying to get into our slip. It's fairly tight. They didn't do us any favors.
But they have been.
We got a lot of people that said they'd help us get in there because
So
they all know it's a pretty tight slip, and they know that we haven't sailed the monohull much. So we should be good. The marina's been really good to work with. So
yeah, everybody has been so nice. Like customer service, top notch, top notch.
They're almost too nice.
Exciting, not leaking, not sinking in the water, no big splash.
Right? No, it's good.
Yeah. Now let's go find some food.
Yeah, we gotta get some to eat.
Maybe some water so we can wash up a little bit on the boat.
We got
a lot to do
a
still,
couple
but
days of cleaning, setting up the diminy and solar. Like, we got some stuff to do.
we do have some stuff to do. It's like
right now,
it hasn't really sunk in that we're actually doing this. So stay tuned.
what's happening?
Well, some dingbats didn't put the jack lines in when we were putting the mast up. So now someone has to go up the mast, and that someone's going to be me because he doesn't trust me to pull his butt up there. So not to mention the neighbor just right here just said, "Be careful, I know someone that's died." God. All right, let's do this.
Feel okay?
Okay, let's go.
Let's do it. Go really slow.
A little bit more than halfway.
And there's Jessica, 47 feet in the air, above waterline, clear up there like a champ.
It really wasn't that bad. I thought I had a fear of heights, but maybe I don't. I don't know. I felt really secure in it. And I could hold on to the mast a little bit to steady myself. It's super calm. There aren't any waves or wakes in this marina. We can't believe it. After so much planning, saving, and hard work, we are finally in the water. Thanks to Terry and his crew, Mark, Ken, and Ben, for kindly guiding us through the process, making this a smooth transition. We are excited for our next episode, where we explore Rio Vista, break in the dinghy motor, and settle into life on Hiraya.